Can you confidently go out in public and raise up your hands and flaunt your underarm? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to lighten your dark underarm with just two effective products. Yes, and they are very, very affordable. And what are the causes of dark underarm? It could be natural due to it could be genetic, it could be due to constant using of shaving sticks, it could be due to the kind of deodorants or antiperspirants you use under your armpit. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to lighten your underarm naturally so you can flaunt it. Look at it now. So you can flaunt it anyhow you like. You can wear spaghetti and sleeveless like this. You can wear armless and show it off. Okay, so keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, bestie. So before I continue, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification beside it, and make sure you like this video, drop a comment and share it with your friends. So let's dive right into the video. So there are two major ways you can lighten your dark underarm. Okay, so the last one is like kind of extra, right? Or the first one is extra rather, because I'll be using the extra tip first, right? So the first step is to exfoliate your armpit. Okay, so get yourself a sea salt scrub. What I'm recommending sea salt is that sea salt helps to kill germs and bad odor under your armpit, right? So use it to scrub your armpit at least twice in a week. Use it to exfoliate and get rid of those dead skin cells under your armpit, right? So the second one is when you're shaving, don't shave on a dry skin. Okay, that causes irritation under your arm, and that irritation, constant friction and irritation there, would make your armpit to get darker, right? So when you want to shave your armpit, it's best to get a shaving cream, apply shaving cream there, or you apply aloe vera gel to soften and to make the shaving process very smooth. Or you can get a shaving powder instead of using shaving stick that could irritate your armpit and cause darkness. You can get a shaving cream, mix it with water, apply it, and do what you know how to do best there. Get rid of the hair under your armpits. So that is the tips I'm going to be sharing. So let's get into the products proper, right? Okay, so before I continue, I need to put out a disclaimer that I'm not in any way affiliated to this company. Like the products I'll be showing you, I'm not in any way advertising for them. They did not pay me. I don't know them. So I'm just doing this video based on my personal experience, my observation, and my research. So I'm just sharing my knowledge. Okay, so the first product you should consider buying that works for dark underarm, that helps lighten it, is this Kojisan lightening soap. Okay, this soap is very effective. It helps to lighten the skin. I've been using it for like a month now. I got the one that contains super. I don't know if you've seen that video where I unboxed some items, some skincare products I got. This one was among it. So this is the last one and I'm using it presently. It helps to brighten the skin. It contains kojic acid, which is a natural and very good and effective lightening ingredient. Okay, so just wet your hands, rub it on the soap and apply it under your arm and leave it there for about 3 to 5 minutes. Do this every single day and trust me, you will see a very good result. Okay, so the number 2 product you should consider buying that works so well is the Nivea whitening deep serum that firms the skin and contains ingredients like sakura and vitamin C. Like, these ingredients are amazing. So let me list some of the benefits of sakura. Sakura contains brightening properties. It helps to repair damaged skin. It controls inflammation. It helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and many more. Okay, you can make your research on that particular ingredient. And the second one is vitamin C. We know what vitamin C does. It helps to slow down the signs of aging. It helps to lighten hyperpigmentation. It prevents sagging skin. It helps to brighten the skin and so many more. Okay, so these are the few benefits that I just highlighted, but trust me, it has so many more benefits. So this is an antiperspirant that you need to get. This Nivea whitening deep serum is an antiperspirant and it works for 48 hours according to them, but whatever. So but you can try it out and trust me, within few weeks you will see a very evident result. Like, it works so well. Use it with this particular Kojisan soap and also make sure that you exfoliate your underarm at least twice a week and take precaution while shaving. Like I said earlier, make sure you shave. If you're using a shaving stick, make sure you apply aloe vera gel or any shaving cream of your choice, or you can get shaving powder. It works well as at the same time, right? So make sure you take precaution while shaving, and trust me, when you do these three things, you will see a very wonderful result in just a short time. So that is all for this video. If you watched this video up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification beside it, so when next I put up a useful video like this, you'll be the very first person to get notified. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, drop a comment, and share with your friends. Okay, so till I come your way next time, my name is Winner, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.